Hi everybody, welcome again to Bell CB. I have a DX-98VHP. We're doing a tune-up report for Joe in New York. Joe asked me to do an amplifier switch right here on the side of the radio. So we'll start with our lowest power and work our way up. So we'll start with that switch down and the power turned all the way down. And come over to this 10 watts on the top scale meter. All the way down to a little under a watt. All the way up 5 watts, peak power 50 watt scale. That's right here, 50. Audio check, audio 1 2 3 4 5 audio. Alright, and then on sideband, turn that down. Audio check, audio 1 2 3 4 5 audio. Okay. Now let's build it up one step. We'll take this guy, turn him on, and then turn our power back down again. We'll take a look at what we got. Put it back in AM. It's a little below 6 there. I'll go up a couple scales, turn it all the way up. Now we're on the 100 watt scale now. Right about 60. And our peak power, if I change this slug to a 500, we're in the middle now. Nope. And there's 300, 200. 1 2 3 4 5 audio. Okay, and then on sideband, audio check, audio 1 2 3 4 5 audio check. And there's it. So that's full out there. Everything's up and turned down. Sideband, and we'll go back to AM. What else we want to show you? Maybe some money here. Alright. Breaker 19 for radio check.
Good working, driver.
I appreciate it, driver. Thank you. Have a great day.